Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Well, welcome with me, Irma Novianti. On this occasion, we will have a special guest, and she is from Tasikmalaya. And during the section, we will talk about deeply culinary podcast. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Hello.
Waalaikumsalam. Hai.
Okay. By the way, what is your complete name and how do I call you?
Okay, my name is Lita Nursofa. You can call me Lita.
Okay, Lita. I heard that you are from Tasikmalaya. Aren't you?
Yes, I from Tasikmalaya.
Okay, nice. I have the jargon for this podcast. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. If I say explore the taste with us, we answer yummy, tasty, and delicious. Okay, Lita?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready? Explore the taste with us.
Yummy, tasty, and delicious.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Okay, we will join the next section about this or that with some more question, right? Okay, let's get started. Is the first question about this or that? Yeah. Is this about Indonesian food or international food? Ready? Yeah, we answer.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Indonesian food, right? With the same answer. Nice, good. And how are you views about Indonesian food, especially in today, Lita?
Okay. Even though there are now many culinary goods in the country, such as Thailand, Korean, Italian, Middle East, and other, but still Indonesian food is top rated, and Indonesian food is very varied and almost as if it's were an herb of choice, and which is harvested from the soil of Indonesia. Indonesian food has an authentic taste, from refined vegetable to meat to assorted snack. Indonesian food always engage the plate. And how about you, Irma?
Okay, for me, something that was interesting to me was something quite interesting to be able to explore its culture, especially that each region must have its own uniquely value, which make it a definite value for the area, and which is a particular attraction from this restaurant, and maybe that's charms that makes me choose food. Yeah. Okay, next question maybe. Okay, I want to ask you, Lita, according to you, in the very modern today, is this typical Indonesian culinary is still much in demand or is not to prefer? And maybe what the hell is the reason for them about it?
Okay, if in my view, this culinary of Indonesia has always evolved from the time to be a lot of new innovation, and if the food is always much in the mind as keep us preserved or even just meet the desire, and if you see now, I think the Indonesian culinary it is much in the mind even from the official of the country of often so come to Indonesia for casting culinary of Indonesia that is now right and rise the speed. Sorry, Irma, your microphone.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. Next session, this is spicy food or sweet food. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3. All right. We have different answer. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Why do you prefer sweet food, Irma?
Yeah. I prefer sweet food because dessert smelling I love so much. It also allows me to be one of the alternatives to bring the mood back when it's unstable, and because both of the aroma and the taste are very relaxing indeed. And how about you, Lita? Why do you prefer spicy food?
Yes, I really like spicy food, but it's spicy. Is too extra still reasonable if eating the rice of the wishes plus sambal, or street food is so much spicy food, and just as you eat spicy food, it can relieve stress and rise in mood.
Okay, next, can you even say what kind of spicy food do you like?
Okay, I think so much. Like meatball, chicken noodle, bakmi, ramen, and anyway, if the food can be added to sambal or chili, I added, and if already it's spicy, usually I drink milk to neutralize the food that enter, or do not drink lasegar or adem sari cingku. Let it in hot in the mix, and
Right.
if you give it a shot, what do you like to eat, Irma?
Okay, this is a difficult because I really like almost all sweet foods. This dessert has become a must for me in the gullet that can neutralize the food before to be more balanced. And I'm prefer chocolate cake and pudding and much more. And pretty much it's turned out, yeah. I'm so sorry. It's so much for me.
Okay, okay, next. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Next, this or that, chocolate or candy. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Chocolate, the same answer. Yeah.
You like chocolate, Irma? Can you tell us about chocolate?
All right. Maybe I have a little story about this chocolate. On one day, I didn't like a chocolate very much, but when it was with cheesy, blueberries, and other things, I turned out that I was more interested in chocolate than in any other because of the soupy flavor and fragrance made it even more enjoyable. And that's where I grow to love chocolate, and I love it so much until now. Yeah, next question, especially this or that, ramen or pizza? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Pizza.
Yes.
Yeah. With the same fish. Yeah. Wow, that's a very tough choice. Yeah. What's the reason you chose this? Lita.
Okay. It is a very difficult choice because both I love it. But if have to choose between these two, I think prefer pizza because it's very easy and practical to buy it online. And pizza plus spicy chili sauce, so delicious.
Yeah, agree. And then next, this or that, brownies or cake. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, brownies and cake. Yeah.
Okay, brownies and cake is the type of dessert with the most interest. And why do you select cake, Irma?
Okay, I choose cake because of the texture and the high ingredients I use. I select the cake as her favorite. And yeah, the flavor will always be complicated on the surface. Okay, next. This is about in the same, this or that. Okay, next, milkshake or juice. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Yes.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Pull this. Carlita, stories. Why do you like this?
Okay, the juice is good for our health, and I like avocado juice the most. So I developed hepatitis once, and I lost my appetite. Then I eat less, and then I bought me avocado juice, but I couldn't get the ice to cool down, and I ended up drinking the juice. And after the juice, I started to eat my appetite.
Okay. Yep. Next, this or that. Hot chocolate or ice matcha latte. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we difference. Okay, no problem.
Okay, you like matcha latte. Why do you like that, Irma?
Okay, I like this so much. It must be that the cigar matcha latte has a distinct taste and aroma when offered amongst other drinks. And while it seems to me that it refreshes the mood, we also have health benefit for our body. Okay, next, we to traditional food, yeah. This traditional food has many variation in Indonesian, and of course this is also available for us to come and meet around us with ease. Yeah. Okay, the next question. This is no this or that because yeah, this is question. I want to ask you, Lita. The traditional food is so much in Indonesian. Mention what food you know and what daytime tracks do you like?
Well, it's certainly a lot. There are batagor, pempek, ketoprak, cucur, dadar gulung, cibai, cakwe, ketupat, and more, much more. And I most like the same street food, which is a seed spice like a batagor, kupat tahu. Beuh, stay away anyway.
Yeah.
And how about you, Irma?
Okay. For me, there's a hadapoj, rawon, mie Bandung, mie kocok Bandung, especially pempek, gudeg, surabi, and many others, and make it my favorite things. I like the legendary mie kocok Bandung. I like it so much. For me, yeah, until now.
Okay, I think the next time I go to Bandung, I'm going to try doing mie kocok Bandung with you.
Yes, yes, you have visited this, yeah.
Okay, Irma, you are the original people Bandung. What typical food is what hail is in Bandung?
Okay, here is many typical of food in Bandung, yeah, especially here is mie kocok Bandung, surabi, batagor, and perhaps one that surely cannot be forgotten is that the seblak. You know seblaks, Rita? You know?
Yes, I know. That is my
Okay.
favorite.
And the same with me. Seblak is already expanding to other areas of Indonesia, yes. Until now. Okay, if in Tasikmalaya area, Yulita mentioned the typical food from there, is it what? Yeah, what is it?
Okay, from Tasikmalaya there is cilok goang, comet, es bojong, and then soto khas Tasikmalaya, and much more.
Okay, yeah, it's so nice and many more, yeah. Okay, next, this or that, batagor or empempe. Okay, ready? One, two, and three. Yeah, batagor and pempe. All right. Okay, you choose the batagor. So what the reason you choose this food? Tell me.
Okay, because batagor is the easy street food to get, and then they add an quiche nut flavor. Actually, I also like pempek, but in my area, still rare that selling pempek. That's why.
Okay, Lita. Yeah. Next, rendang or ayam betutu, right? Okay. Rendang or ayam betutu, is or that? One, two, and three. Okay, nice.
Okay, Irma. The Yunese really good. Why do you prefer to be rendang?
Okay, I chose rendang. I prefer rendang. Really, I want to with the food that is rich, the abundant species and seasonings. That one describes the distinctive food of Indonesian. Yeah, maybe this abundance is spices. I like it. Okay, next, this or that about dadar gulung or sekutang. Okay, yeah. One, two, and three. Okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, Lita. Why did you prefer dadar gulung?
Okay, dadar gulung is the sweet taste of the ripe sugar. Is mixed with the guna of the young coconut, and the green ravioli is really nice, and if beaten by the lumer in the mood.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, next, and then this is the last question, especially this or that, yeah. Okay, cendol or es campur? Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ya, es campur dan cendol.
Okay, why do you prefer ice mix at Irma?
Okay, I prefer pig es campur. Yep, that's because inside are all these fruits that will frozen up and definitely pamper the ice with color. So it's interesting for me. Very interesting. Okay, okay, this the last section about conclusion. Wow, it's turned out to be more dominant Indonesian food, yeah, from us. Yeah, and for yourself, what is the food and drink do you like that we discuss? Rita.
I think really like everything, but being told to pick one of this, I'd pick a pizza with a hot chili sauce, and the drink, I prefer hot chocolate.
Okay, yeah, for me, Irma Novianti, personally, the food and drinks that are becoming favorites from what we discussed are there cake, especially red velvet cake. With the drink is ice matcha latte. Yep, is the best combination for me. And then maybe can we give a jargon more energy to the end section in this podcast?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I have the jargon about this culinary podcast. If I say explore the taste with us, we answer yummy, tasty, and delicious.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yummy, tasty, and delicious. Okay. Um, explore the taste with us.
Yummy, tasty, and delicious.
Delicious. Yeah. Wow, has been a great, of course, for us and for our podcast this time about the culinary. Is this the hope that it will inspire friends to join the world in furthering in the cleaning world? And well, I would like to thanks my partner, Rita Nursova, for joining us here in this culinary podcast. It was nice talking with you, and hopefully, on another occasion, we can collaborate on other projects. Yeah, apologies to all my friends if there's a shortage in this project podcast.
Okay, thank also to you, Irma. I hope we can meet soon.
Okay, my pleasure. See you.
See you too.